did I wake up? It feels strange. I heard something. It was not a dream.
The hallway light is on.
We never leave it on. I heard something downstairs. It was not just the wind. Mom? Dad? The door. The front door is... My heart. It is beating so fast. Mom? Dad? Please wake up. Mom? Dad? Please wake up.
What is wrong?
Mia, what happened?
The front door is open. I saw it moving.
Open?
That is not possible. I locked it before bed.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. Listen to me carefully. We will not panic.
Panic makes mistakes.
We stay behind me. Fear is normal, but fear does not control us.
We think first.
We move step by step. Stay behind me. If something happens, go back to the bedroom and lock the door.
We stay together.
Stay quiet. Listen carefully.
I am scared.
I know. The door is moving. The wind is strong tonight.
Is someone there?
I do not see anyone. I do not see anything strange. The room looks normal.
Is someone hiding?
I do not think so. The wind pushed it open. I think that is what happened.
Are you sure?
I will check outside. It is very windy. What was that? Oh, it is just a cat. It is only a cat.
Really?
Yes. Now it is locked.
Everything is okay.
I feel better.
Good. Being scared is not wrong, but we must think before we react.
I thought something.
That is what fear does. When we hear something strange, our mind can imagine danger.
Yes, it had something bad.
That is normal. When something feels scary, first we stay calm.
Stay calm.
Yes. After we stay calm, we check.
We check.
Yes.
We do not panic.
Panic makes our mind loud.
Loud?
Yes. We think before we act.
Think first.
Yes.
I am not scared now.
Good.
It is time to sleep.
Thank you.
You are safe.
Good night.
Good night.
Fear is loud, but calm is stronger.
We are safe.
It was only a cat. I was very scared. The house is quiet. Everything is normal. Good morning. Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Are you still thinking about last night?
A little.
And how do you feel now?
Better. What was that? Stay calm. Think first. Let's check.
Okay. Slowly.
I am not scared. Something fell
What do you see?
near the fence. The wind moved it.
Yes.
I stayed calm.
Yes, you did. Not all loud sounds mean danger. Some sounds are normal.
Like the wind?
Yes. When we are afraid, sounds feel bigger, louder.
Even if they are small?
Yes. When you hear a sound, first listen, then think,
Not run.
not run. Close your eyes, listen.
I hear birds. I hear the wind.
Good.
Yesterday you were scared.
Today you stayed calm.
I am stronger now.
Yes. Calm is stronger than fear.
Always remember that.
I will.
Yesterday you were scared.
Today you stayed calm.
I am stronger now.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Stay calm.
And think first.
Subscribe for more stories. See you next time.